Well guys, the DIY is coming along really nicely. I want to give you a little update as far as where I am at this moment and just to share a little bit of information. I'm excited to get this kit fully installed in my car, one being because I had that old outdated CIC Navigation, which is on the 2006 to 2008 BMW 3 Series. Upgrading to CIC gets you into the 2009 when they first started doing CIC, but it adds that much more functionality on the navigation and it looks a heck of a lot better. So let's walk towards the car here. So I guess the big advice I want to give to you guys, when you're doing this, and mostly being for myself as well, have it on a trickle charger, just because you're always in and out of the car for one. Keeping the door open, keeping the door closed. Of course, I have my really bright LED light that shines on it when I'm trying to do this. So I got an extension cord that comes in here, which I will turn on now. Very, very bright. So this is where we're at as of right now. Got the CID removed. Have the navigation unit removed, the old one. Climate controls, of course. Now what's great about this kit is that all I have to do next here, as far as the video goes, and by the way, I'm filming an entire separate step-by-step full DIY video that will go over the coding as well. So don't worry about that. That's going to be coming here in the next few days. But I just have to repin this connector here. So I have a new connector that I have to put all these pins in a certain way technically, and that new pin works on the new CIC. I have to run a new wire for the screen as well. That goes down through there, plugs in the back, and then I have to do my USB to where you can like download music and all that. I have to run it through the back of here and then up through the glove box area, but for me to be able to get into and do it. So the guy I got the kit from, NickCo43, he patches all your FSC codes on there, and he'll be doing the coding for me too. That's of course included all in the price. All right, well, that's where I stand as of today as far as the navigation install. It does take some time to, compile all the footage. I'm trying to edit as I go, day by day, just really busy work schedule and a busy bunch of other things that are going on. Obviously, the time of year that's right now. So I'm doing this in my spare time when I can. That's obviously how I do this channel, in my spare time. What little spare time do I have? But I'm excited to get this DIY done and get it out to you guys. Excited to share all the CIC videos that are going to come. So outside of just doing this install and showing you what, how much better it is and how easier this install is going to be compared to anything else that you've seen. So Nick's kit has been really great, and Nick has been great as well. Just, making a kit put together, and the support from him is just awesome. I can email him, ask him questions. I want to double check on a few things. He's right there to answer, and I couldn't be more happier as far as going with Nick for this CIC retrofit kit. So definitely hit him up if you're looking to do the CIC. So wait for my install. You're going to see how easy it is to do this process, which definitely makes it nice. And I'm going to be doing a bunch of other CIC videos after I get it all in and that video's out, just so we can do the different things. I might do a comm box onto it. I might add that, and just the different options. I'm going to show you what it's all about, and we'll use it to the fullest capacity for sure. So there you have it. DIY video coming here in the next few days as soon as I get this one in, and then finish filming all that, and then we'll do the review process after that, show you all about CIC. So of course those are going to be the mini videos to come. Post that. I appreciate you guys stopping in, sticking around with the channel, watching all the videos, subscribing, liking, sharing, of course. Stay tuned for more. Big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Take care.